Students, we are going to do new chapter of English course, chapter 2, Jadav and the Tree Place. Jadav, in this story we are going to read about a person whose name was Jadav and how he started planting trees everywhere in the places where trees are not there. This is Jadav, a tree planter. He loves tree places because they are full of life. Now this is a Jadav means this story is about a Jadav, okay, who is a tree planter, means who plants tree. He loves tree places. Tree places means the places where trees are there because they are full of life. On tree, so many birds come, animals also live in jungle. So he loves the place because of trees because it is full of life. No trees places makes him terribly sad. The places where no trees are there he that make him very sad because they are full of dead things, because they are not very living things, they are only dead things. Years ago means many years back, Jadav was walking along the banks of great Brahmaputra river when he arrived at a big empty no tree place. Once ago, Jadav, when he was walking along the banks of great Brahmaputra river, he reached at a big empty means vacant, where not any tree is there. It was dry and hot, means that place was dry and hot also. The sand was powdery means powder like, and stripped means which is having stripes, means lines, okay. Stripped sand, he then said that stripped sand, but how odd, how different it is. Jadav went closer to take a better look. Then he went closer to see what is there. Oh, but they weren't stripes at all. They were not stripes. The ground was covered in snakes. The ground was fully covered with snakes. Last night's flood must have washed them ashore, Jadav thought. Last night flood came there, okay, and with that all the snakes have come from the bank, okay, yeah, to the bank of the river. Next is, these snakes were not slinking and slithering and swaying. They all meaning of these words is moving. Okay, means these snakes were not moving about like regular healthy snakes. Means they all are not moving like how usually snakes move. When Jadav walked among them, means when Jadav go near them, they didn't hiss, means they did not hiss. The sound of snake which make, means they don't make any sound, or run away. They do not run away or try to bite him, and they didn't try to bite him. They just lay about like old ropes, means they only lay down like old ropes are there, tired and still. Tired and still means not moving again, okay. Next is poor snakes. He said, poor snakes, they are dying from the heat. Jadav said, oh, poor snakes, they are dying because of heat. If only they had some shade to lie in. He thought if they have some shade to lie in, shade which trees give to us, okay, if only this no tree place had some trees in it. He said that maybe some trees should be there so that snakes can lie under the shade of them and they would not have been died, okay. Jadav couldn't bear to watch the snakes die. He could not accept that snakes are dying. It made him so terribly sad that he sat down and began to cry. What happened? He sat down and he started crying because he cannot see the snakes dying. But he quickly come to his senses. Then again he come to his senses. He said, no more crying, from now on only trying. He said that now I will not cry, I will only try. He jumped up, means he suddenly jumped up, ran back to his village. He go back to his village and began means started collecting all the bamboo shoots he could carry in his bag. Bamboo shoot is a type of a plant, okay, he's small plant, okay. He started taking all the bamboo shoots in the one bag. Regular plants won't grow in the hot sand, but bamboo will. Bamboo is strong. Regular plants means generally which plants we see around us. Okay, he said that these plants will not grow in hot sand, but bamboo is strong, so it will grow there. Jadav brought the shoots to the no tree place and started planting them everywhere. Now Jadav, what do he bring? That bamboo shoots to no place land and started planting them. It was hard, hot work and it took years. Means it was very hard to plant trees on no sand, tree place, because the sand was not very good and hot was also there. So it took years, so many years it took to grow plants. The river grew thin one summer and flooded the next. One summer what happened, the river grew thin means no water is there, and next summer what happened, the flood comes, sometimes bringing more sand and sometimes taking it away. Now sometime what happened, the tree when flood comes, sometime it brings more sand to there, sometime it takes away the sand. Heavy rains came and went, but Jadav kept on planting. Sometime heavy rains come and go, okay, but Jadav kept on planting, but he keep planting. In time, the bamboo took root and began to grow. At one time, bamboo took root means they grew the roots downside the earth and they began to grow. As it grew, it brought shade and the shade brought insects. When when tree grow, it brought shade, and in shade what comes? Insects. The insects buried into the ground. The insects burrowed into the ground. Okay, burrowed means they dug holes in the ground, and earth below bamboo trees began to change. Actually, bache, when plants grow na, they need insects, okay, which can go downside and help the plant to grow. So when insects come there, the soil started changing there.